Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Path Trading Partners, along with the Bob Iacchino. So, starting on the 1 hour INO chart, we had a nice little reversal divergence. So we had a lower low in price action and a higher low in the RSI, with the rotation back up, getting into the 1 hour rotation zone. Really nice little level here to watch for on a continued rally on Monday. We have all these little stock candle bodies. The candle bodies right here, slightly above the rotation zone. So about 1240 to 1245 is the key resistance we'll be watching. That would also retest the prior breakdown level. Above that, see, and even on the 4 hour, 1250. So between about 1240 and 1250 is major resistance on any rally that we'll be watching for next week. Out of oversold condition. Let's take a look at that daily. Daily, we spiked down, didn't quite get to our 1112 level, but we talked about that 50-day exponential moving average and this little prior support shelf yesterday, and that's where it found support, and combine that with the 1 hour divergence was a really nice rotation setup back up. It's not a long-term buy signal, it's just a rotation setup, and we'll start watching especially above the high of Friday for a slight continued rally, at least into the 4 hour rotation zone. Daily chart, no cross the first rotation zone. It's gone neutral. So neutral still on the daily chart, bearish on the 4 hour, but looks like we might have at least a short-term bottoming pattern. That's what we have for you on INO, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.